To buy Xbox Game Pass Ultimate with a gift card, you will need to follow a series of steps. First, make sure you have an Xbox gift card with sufficient funds to cover the cost of the Xbox Game Pass Ultimate subscription. Next, go to the Microsoft Store website or open the Microsoft Store app on your Xbox console or Windows device. Sign in to your Microsoft account to access your account information and purchase history. Then, redeem your gift card by clicking on the Redeem a Gift Card button and entering the gift card code. The gift card balance will be added to your Microsoft account. After redeeming the gift card, search for Xbox Game Pass Ultimate in the Microsoft Store and select the subscription option you want to purchase. Choose the duration of your subscription, such as 1 month or 3 months, and click the Buy button. If you have not already subscribed to Xbox Game Pass Ultimate, you will be asked to confirm your purchase and agree to the terms and conditions. If you are renewing a subscription, the new subscription period will be added to your existing subscription. Finally, review your order and confirm that the gift card balance is used to pay for the subscription. Once the purchase is complete, you will receive a confirmation email and can start using your Xbox Game Pass Ultimate subscription to access a vast library of games, including Xbox exclusives and third-party titles. It is essential to note that you must have a valid payment method associated with your Microsoft account, even if you are using a gift card to make the purchase. This is because Xbox Game Pass Ultimate subscriptions automatically renew at the end of each billing period, and Microsoft will charge the associated payment method if there are insufficient funds in your gift card balance. To avoid unwanted charges, make sure to cancel your subscription or remove the payment method from your account before the next billing period. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily purchase an Xbox Game Pass Ultimate subscription using a gift card and enjoy access to a wide range of games and other benefits.